This one is way overdue. It's a quick office stretch. I made this video because someone requested it. Keep the requests coming. I may not get to it very quickly, but I will get to it, I promise. Now, take your office break to stand, and you will be starting in mountain pose. Envision your feet pressing down and your chest lifting up. Sweep your arms into cactus. As you bend your elbows, press them back and feel the opening in your chest area. You really need that after spending time at the computer. And you can even lift your chest and bend back if it feels good. Look in front of you as you do that. You're gazing kind of like in the same direction as your chest. Inhale, lift your chest even higher. Exhale, see if you can bend back further. Inhale, back into your mountain pose. Next, you're going to bring your chest to your thighs. Bend your knees slightly. Move your chair out of the way. Keep your legs bent and bring your chest to your thighs. And as you feel the opening of your hamstring, you may want to straighten your legs as much as you need to feel a stretch. You're pressing your chest towards your thighs, squeezing and lifting your kneecaps. Feel your head heavy. We're just going to stay here for a few breaths. This will give your body a chance to open. Now move your toes outward to squat. As you squat here, keep lifting your chest. You can press your elbows on the inside of your thighs. This feels really good, and it's a good stretch when you spend a long time sitting in a chair. Now bring your feet back together. We're lifting into chair pose. Don't we love chair pose? Lower, lift back up, maybe 2 or 3 times. And next, we're going to open your feet into goddess. As you spend some time in goddess, you can stretch your side body. And the way you're going to stretch your side body is by lifting one arm. And then you'll feel the stretch, right? And you can repeat that on the other side. Now, wide-legged forward fold. Interlace your fingers behind your back. That open your chest also. Again, we want to open your chest after spending a long time staring at a screen, sitting in a chair. Just like you did in your regular forward fold, you want to feel your head heavy. Maybe shift your weight to your toes slightly. Engage your kneecaps. Next, place your fingers right beside your right foot. Again, my chair is in the way. To move it. Sprinkling your fingers in front of your right foot. Stretching your left side body and squeezing your right side body. Move your hands to your left foot.
opening your right side body and squeezing your left side body. Bring your hands in front of you, lengthen your spine, and then bend one last time here. You can press your fingertips forward, that helps you get deeper in that stretch.
And that's it. I hope you feel refreshed and ready to go on with your day.